yes, of course. I mean, I've been scammed not just monetarily. I've been scammed multiple times and emotionally also multiple times.
This kind of a role also, I don't think it's easy for anyone to envision me. Like nobody would think of me when they think, oh, a girl from the slums who's like a, maid. Kangna is one of the actresses who's done comedy films. And
Sridevi ji has done so many of them.
Sridevi ji was like, has been a legend for all of us.
अगर कोई एक्टर से आपने एक्टर को रिप्लेस करके एआई से करवा दिया, उसकी आंखों में आंसू जब आएगा आप फील करेंगे क्या? एक गाना तो मेरा है जो 15 साल से ट्रेंड हो रहा है, तूने जो ना कहा, तो जब भी वो गाना आता है वो ट्रेंड होता है,
When they correct my pictures on AI, I just hate them. I'm like, ये क्या कर दिया है? This looks so fake. It doesn't look the real.
हाल ही में एक गाना आया है, बहुत बड़ा पॉपुलर गाना है, but you've used Kishore Das voice again and recreated, which has become more popular.
We today do not know which numbers are manufactured, which are real organic numbers.
We know very well.
I mean, we know. Yeah.
You know it very well.
I know. Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Neel Nitin Mukesh, Divya Khosla and Umesh Shukla. Hello, how are you?
Titash, thank you so much.
So, the title in itself is so catchy because of the iconic song. I would like to start with you. Was that the idea because see, this is also a very quirky film, is what we picked up from the trailer. And, that song also had its own share of quirks. Is that why the title?
Definitely. I mean, the content matches the title. So, my story is like that.
Right.
It is about a smart woman, smart man. So everybody is smart in the film. To some extent, they are extra smart also. So, yeah.
Chatur.
तो चतुर सब है, तो सब थोड़े ग्रे शेड में है.
Right.
तो जब हम लोग कहानी पे काम कर रहे थे तभी ये टाइटल मुझे अच्छा लगा था और then I thought of registered it and now here we are.
Fantastic. So, इसका जो title track है, which also is I think quite catchy, it grows on you over time, ऐसा है. The trend is of course to create recreations, remixes of older songs. But you haven't actually done that. You just have retained the name, the hook line. Yeah. And the rest of the song is very different. Was that conscious somewhere that we do not want to recreate that?
Because my content is different, no? If you hear the original song, एक चतुरनार करके सिंगर, वो जो गाना है वो बहुत ही सिचुएशनल उस फिल्म के लिए था. वो बहुत ही ह्यूमरस और वैसे ही था. और जैसे आपने देखा था किशोर कुमार जी थे, महमूद साहब थे, सुनील दत्त साहब थे, सायरा बानू जी थी वो गाने में. यहाँ कंटेंट और कॉन्टेस्ट एकदम ही अलग है. ये हमने बहुत ही थ्रिलर और सस्पेंस हमारी फिल्म है और उसमें ह्यूमर का तड़का है. तो हमने हमारे कंटेंट के हिसाब से नया गाना बनाया. जस्ट अ phrase एक चतुरनार is the same, otherwise the song is very different.
Very interesting. So you technically are like a scamster in the film.
I'm a chatur woman. I think it also gives a kind of a thing कि हर औरत को चतुर होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
It's very important and the film is essentially also about poor and rich. Like I am playing नाले किनारे वाली and नील का कैरेक्टर जो है वो नदी किनारे वाला है. तो वो जो एक टक्कर है, तो because हम सोचते हैं कि पैसा आ जाएगा, we'll be powerful, we'll have everything, but it's not about that. It's all about the chaturai here.
True.
So yeah.
No, what I was getting into is ये जो चतुराई की बात हो रही है, नील, दिव्या, उमेश सर, have you ever been sort of scammed in real life?
मेरे साथ कब नहीं होता, मैं ये अपने आप से सवाल पूछता रहता हूँ.
You're very prone to being scammed.
जितना मैं अपने कैरेक्टर्स को लेकर अपनी फिल्मों में जितना मैं कमीना हूँ, उतना मैं रियल लाइफ में बिल्कुल ही भोला हूँ. तो बड़े आसानी से मुझे लोग स्कैम कर लेते हैं. अभी हाल ही में इनफैक्ट देयर वाज अ बैंक thing that happened on my phone and I realized that मेरी एक बड़ी पुरानी और बहुत बुरी आदत है. I think middle class and I am like that, that's my upbringing, right? So अगर मैं क्रेडिट कार्ड भी इस्तेमाल करूँ तो I pay my bill immediately. यानी अगर मैंने आज स्वाइप किया तो मैं घर जाके उसका बिल भर दूँगा.
Oh, you don't wait till the end of the month.
I don't wait for that cycle. So yes, of course, I mean I've been scammed not just monetarily. I've been scammed multiple times and emotionally also multiple times.
Emotionally scammed?
I mean, yeah, you get emotionally scammed also, don't you? Yeah. Let's not explore that.
Okay, no, I was just trying to figure ki emotional scamming. Oh, I figured now.
Okay.
Took me some time.
Yeah. I mean, we're promoting Ek Chaturnar, not another film.
Yeah, no. Have you been scammed?
अभी recently actually कुछ हुआ था. Somebody gave a call and I normally pass on my manager's number. So वो मतलब that person was really trying, but we found out about him. But वो मतलब बहुत लोग कैसे try करते. It's very shocking. Like,
And they're very persistent also.
हाँ
वो
तो इनफैक्ट मेरे फादर के साथ अभी उनका व्हाट्सएप पूरा हैक हो गया था 3 दिन तक. तो द फिल्म इज जो चतुरनार फिल्म है दैट्स वेरी रिलेटेबल बिकॉज यू नो टेक्नोलॉजी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का मिसयूज करना आजकल विच इज हैपनिंग विद ऑल ऑफ अस कहीं ना कहीं. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी करंट टॉपिक एंड उसके साथ उसके साथ इट्स ऑल इन अ सिचुएशनल कॉमेडी. So I think that's the fun part.
That's the fun part.
And it's very quirky, like you said.
Yes. Divya, you know, last year there was Savi. You know, the film did so well critically. And do you feel, because on a serious note, even as an audience, we got to see a very different side of the actor in you, you know, through that film. Do you personally feel that the perspective with which filmmakers today look at you, especially after Savi, that has changed a little bit?
Yes, I do feel there has been a change, and I started getting much better scripts and roles coming my way. And of course, in this kind of a role also, I don't think it's easy for anyone to envision me. Like nobody would think of me when they think, oh, a girl from the slums who's like a, you know, maid, that kind of a girl. But I'm really thankful to my director that he saw me in that role and he came up to me and like he told me about the script. So I'm really grateful to him, because unless and until you get those opportunities, it's how do you prove yourself? How can you show that, oh, this is something which I can do?
Right.
So I saw that potential in Savi. So I thought that she has a capacity to do this. So then, you know, she really worked hard. We just guided her, but then she worked hard and result is here.
Yes, and a beautiful result. You know, looking forward to watching the film. Neil, I was speaking to you a while back. This was during Hai Junoon, you know, and you know, you had said that, you know, I sort of look at my current career trajectory as, let's say, you know, my second innings, you know, as an actor.
Right.
You know, even during your second innings, when you are getting the role, you know, of a hero, you know, a parallel lead, you know, in a film like this, because you have done films where you have played the negative character. There were, you know, an ensemble film where you were one of the many actors. How reassuring is it today also to be, you know, getting these kind of meaty roles?
No, you know, I mean, I'm sorry, I still don't go and select a film because it's meaty enough. It's not that. That's not my reasoning for selection even now. It just happens to be a meaty role, and it happens to be an author-backed character, which I'm very thankful and grateful to Umesh sir and the entire production team of T-Series and Merry Go Round to have considered me worthy of that. Of course, Divya's character is, you know, fantastic, and up until now, I've always, you know, explored roles which have some meaning to its existence in the film. यानी अगर आप मेरे किरदार को हटा दो और कहानी आगे बढ़ जाती है तो मैं उस कहानी का हिस्सा नहीं बनना चाहता.
Sure.
यानी अगर वज़ीर जैसी छोटी फिल्म, बड़ी फिल्म का मैं एक छोटा उदाहरण दूंगा, उसमें मेरा किरदार बड़ा ही छोटा था, एक ही सीन था. But if you take that one scene out, there is no वज़ीर. Right. So I want to be a part of that. सात खून माफ में there were 7 husbands. I was one of the husbands. But if you take my character out from that film, then maybe Priyanka wouldn't have gotten started with the murder spree that she was on.
Very true. Divya, you know, when we talk about comedy as a genre, it's still, I think, pretty much, please correct me if I'm wrong, but a man's space, you know. We don't have too many comedy films headlined by a woman. You know, you are doing so much, you know, of the heavy lifting also in the film. Do you feel that changing somewhere? Why do you think makers are not sort of pumping money, you know, to make comedies for women?
I really don't know. I think Kangna is one of the actresses who's done comedy films. And
Sridevi ji has done so many of them.
Sridevi ji was like, has been a legend for all of us. So I'm not really sure. I hope it changes after Ek Chaturnar.
You know, I'm sure, Divya, it's also nice to sometimes just let go of, you know, the glam
Inhibitions.
quotient, the inhibitions, you know, and just do your part, you know, without any.
As an
with
actor,
abandon.
otherwise also I'm not the kind, you know, who'll keep checking herself in the mirror, or I'm not like that कि मेरे को makeup, mirror, या मैं अपना phone भी नहीं रखती actually set पे अभी भी मुझे नहीं पता मेरा phone कहाँ है. So you know, I like to keep my mind totally free when I'm working and totally concentrate on my role, and I think it's important also.
Very true. So now that you're acting, will we ever see you going back into direction?
I would love to, but right now I'm only concentrating on acting.
Right. So for you, on 12th September, there are actually 2 releases.
Yeah.
So how are you balancing both of them?
अभी कभी कभी माँ को एक साथ ट्विंस भी आ जाते हैं.
That's a good way to put it.
For me it's like that कि अभी 2 बच्चे आ ही रहे तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. तो वो
God's gift.
God's gift.
Very nice.
और पर both the genres are very different.
Sure.
Both the genres are very different. वो complete out and out family क्यूट सी एक फिल्म है, और ये थ्रिलर कॉमेडी फिल्म है. ये भी फैमिली के साथ देख सकते हैं ऐसी फिल्म है, पर जॉनर एकदम ही अलग है. पर कभी कभी होता है कि टाइमिंग ऐसा हो जाता है, और डेफिनेटली मुझे तो कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार क्या बात है, ऊपर वाला देता है तो छप्पड़ फाड़ के
देता है.
वैसा वाला है. सो या लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज.
You know, we were talking about this thing that you mentioned, technology, you know, and whatever that happens, you know, in day-to-day life. When we think of technology today, one thing that I think is sort of has entered all of our lives is AI. You know, today films are being made completely using AI. I mean, we as journalists, we are also bearing the, you know, brunt of it. Yeah. So, I mean, you as actors, you as a maker, how much do you think this is going to be a threat to us?
Well, personally, I mean, if you ask me, I think Umesh sir should early answer this quicker, but I don't think that there's much of a threat, because the kind of human emotion that we understand, the depth of, you can grammatically maybe ask AI to help you out in exploring some mistakes and errors.
Grammars, yeah.
Not beyond a certain point. They are also very limited.
Yeah.
If you will not be able to explore in-depth human emotion.
True.
And that is the beauty of you know, creators and writers and directors making their film and trying to connect with an audience. Otherwise, if you rely only on AI, it'll be such a emotionless film. You might not be able to connect. Technically, it might just be brilliant.
Yeah,
Technically,
but I get
it
what
look
you're
correct.
saying. Yeah.
But you might not
The
connect.
emotional quotient won't be
Soul,
there.
I would say.
Yeah.
Means you will,
होता है.
अगर कोई एक्टर से आपने एक्टर को रिप्लेस करके AI से करवा दिया, उसकी आंखों में आंसू जब आएगा, आप फील करेंगे क्या? यानी कम से कम एक गाना तो मेरा है जो 15 साल से ट्रेंड हो रहा है, तूने जो ना कहा, you know, तो जब भी वो गाना आता है वो ट्रेंड होता है, you know, and there's just one, but people connected with that emotion. I have my doubt that AI might ever be able to explore that side. So we are safe there. But if used correctly, AI can be a great support to the industry, especially for stunts, for hazardous action sequences, car flips. If it's done correctly, I think one can use AI brilliantly.
Right. Divya, you want to add something?
Do
you think it could be a threat?
I don't even like, in fact, when they correct my pictures on AI, I just hate them. I'm like, ये क्या कर दिया है? This looks so fake. It doesn't look the real me, you know. So.
Yeah.
So I think जो थोड़ा सा imperfection होना चाहिए वो हम सबकी लाइफ में है, वो होना चाहिए.
Or that makes us human.
Because sometimes you know even like अभी मुझे ये भी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि अगर हम कोई एक चैनल में या कोई कॉर्पोरेट में अगर हमारी स्क्रिप्ट भेजते हैं तो पूरी की पूरी स्क्रिप्ट वहाँ डाल देते हैं फॉर द रिएक्शन. सो वी अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो कि आपकी रिएक्शन नहीं है, पर्सनल रिएक्शन.
Correct. Oh my God. I was just having this discussion inside right now.
वाई ऐसा क्यों? तो वो जो सोल होता है वो कभी कभी मिस होने लगता है. वो जैसे आंसू की बहुत करेक्ट बात बोली कि वो कैसे हो सकता है.
My God.
Yeah.
Imagine actor avatars being created using AI. That would be
but
so scary.
it is a threat. I'll tell you why. Right now, you are seeing it in certain areas being exploited a lot, especially for brands, and you know, from a brand point of view, suddenly you don't require actors, you don't require technicians. I mean, look at the evolution of music.
Even in music, it's
Music,
really
that's what I'm
yeah.
saying. कि
It's really
look at the
bad,
evolution of music. You know, I mean, हाल ही में एक गाना आया है, बहुत बड़ा popular गाना है. But you've used Kishore Das' voice again and recreated, which has become more popular now.
Yeah, people are using it
है
on
ना?
reels.
Now, and it's happened with my grandfather's songs, you know, multiple times. Now, I'm saying, but एक दौर था म्यूजिक का, कम से कम मैं जब छोटा था अपने पिताजी के साथ जाता था रिकॉर्डिंग्स में, तो देखता था, you know, 100-150 म्यूजिशियंस बैठते थे. एक क्यूबिकल में लता आंटी थी, लता दीदी, and one cubicle my father, and you know, Manoj Kumar ji would be sitting in the recording room with his, you know, music directors, Lakshmi uncle, Pyare bhai, and wow, now recording is happening in one small cubicle of a room over one keyboard. You're creating digital sound. Now, soon enough, that will also go. You'll just be communicating to an AI technology and saying, "Okay, create me a love song, please." Oh my God!
I know.
So
Scary to think
where are we
about
going?
it.
So music में मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा डर लगता है कि शायद ये हाँ हो सकता है. कहानियों में भी, क्योंकि सडनली मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हर कोई अब राइटर बन गया है, हर किसी के पास कहानी है. बट अगर मैं 5 पन्ने भी पढ़ लूँ, मैं 1 सेकंड में आपको 1 पन्ना भी पढ़ के मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि ये तो भाई
समझ में आ जाता
आपने ये
है.
तो आपने जनरेट करवाई है कहानी. और मैं सवाल जवाब पूछ लेता हूँ कि अच्छा आपने ये कैरेक्टर का आँख क्या है, कहाँ से आया, क्या जवाब ही नहीं होता.
What you also mentioned, you know, that you do not even like AI to touch up your pictures, which is a very important thing that you actually said, that, you know, when we talk about beauty standards in our Hindi film industry, especially for a woman, there's a certain prototype that एक heroine ऐसी होनी चाहिए, this is how, you know, she should look, in terms of how she looks, her body, everything. Did you ever feel the need to succumb to these any kind of stereotypes?
No, I don't feel the need. I feel natural beauty, the way you've been brought up, you know, that's the best. I think all those external fillers and Botox, I don't agree with them. I don't believe in them.
But she can again then afford to say that.
No,
right?
no,
Yeah,
no,
I was
that's
thinking.
not true. My mother never ever allowed me to even bleach my face.
Oh, okay.
That's what you start doing, you know, the first thing. But she would never allow me to touch or bleach. And I think that's how you keep your skin virgin and keep your skin protected. So the more you stay away from them, it's better. You know, you've seen Kylie Jenner and all. They are young, but they've started looking so mature already.
For their age.
Yeah, for their age. You should let your the natural process, natural aging take over, and sometimes you may end up looking more better than what you were a few years back. Yeah.
Just let yourself be,
Yeah,
you know,
be.
natural.
Yeah.
Nowadays you're so right. I mean, when I scroll, every face looks pretty much the same.
Same, absolutely.
Yeah, and it all looks, you know, Bombay के doctors का एक तरह है, दुबई के doctors का एक है. हाँ, पता चलता है कि ये area का sector ऐसा है.
ये यहाँ पे
So
गए
you
हैं.
know कि
I
ये
like
इसके
my
पास गई
round
थी.
face. I'm happy with my people. I have a very round face, so that may not suit to the
मेरा तो
beauty standards.
इसमें भी एक स्पिरिचुअल एंगल मेरा ये होता है कि आप अगर इनर ब्यूटी पे थोड़ा काम करो ज़्यादा, तो अपने आप ही रिफ्लेक्ट होता ही है. सो इट डजंट.
Very true. Okay, as we wrap this up, we were talking about AI, of course, but Divya, you know, you being there in the industry now, you know, for quite few years, you have been a director. I think you've been a cinematographer too. You learned.
I learned
You did
cinematography,
that.
yes.
You know, of course, you have been in music videos. You're acting now. And there's something very interesting that, you know, you pointed out last year, which is about, you know, we talk about corporate bookings, you know, block bookings, you know, in cinemas. And that sort of is killing the, you know, the core art, you know, of an audience going to the theatre, watching a film. We today do not know which numbers are manufactured, which are real organic numbers.
We know very well.
I mean, we know. Yeah.
You know it very well.
I know. No, I'm saying, how detrimental is it? What do you think?
I think it's very detrimental because for a film which doesn't do corporate booking is not getting a fair chance, a fair run.
Yeah.
You know, because otherwise other numbers तो hyped हैं और सबको industry में पता है. It's not that nobody knows. Everyone knows. And frankly, audience is not even bothered about these numbers. At the end of the day, आप कुछ भी declare कर दो. Audience अगर उस film से नहीं connect हुई तो नहीं connect हुई. So that's the truth. So
Nothing like word of mouth, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, you know, you have to stay true to yourself.
Right.
I can lie only that much to myself, ना. आखिरकार आप जब जाके रात को सोएंगे, तो you know your conscious is going to say, oh my god, I should have worked harder. I should have done maybe a better job. It's like that. I can always स्कूल में होता था ना, अगर पढ़ के अगर आप चीटिंग करके आप अपने नंबर बढ़ा लिए
तो कोई फायदा नहीं,
तो नंबर तो आ गए भाई.
But your conscience,
बट
you
मैं तो
can't lie
जानता
to
हूँ
your
मैं इतना
conscience,
पढ़ा
ना.
लिखा तो हूँ नहीं जो ये डिजर्व
इतना
करता
कर
है.
सकता.
I think it's also about conscience basically.
Definitely.
Yeah, right. But thank
I
you.
don't think आजकल के जमाने में कलयुग में कॉन्शियस
है
है लोग.
No, definitely है.
You know, if you don't have conscience,
मेरे में तो है.
like you were saying,
मेरे में तो है.
you won't be able to sleep
मैं तो
peacefully
बड़ा
at
गिल्टी
night.
महसूस करता हूँ.
Right. But no, thank you on that note. I really do hope a lot of people go watch this film.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
It really looks fun.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.